Hey guys, welcome back to Who's That Girl TV with your girl Danny K. And on the way, how my Danny baby's doing on this beautiful day. And I am back with yet another masterpiece. They wanna know who's that girl. Come on. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am Danny K once again. If you have not already, press that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell so you can stay updated on all my new videos and so that you don't miss a beat, period. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did my passion twist without using the rubber band method or the crochet method. It's real easy. It only took me 3 hours to do. Realistically, it took me 3 hours because some YouTubers, they be like, oh, it took me 2 hours and 3 hours, and I don't understand how, because my head is shaved on the side, so shave on the side and back, so I had little hair to deal with. If I had a full hair, it probably would take me like 5 or 6 hours to get all of it done, especially with the length of it, because it's 22-inch. So it probably would have taken like 5 or 6 hours. So don't be listening to all these YouTubers when they be saying it took them 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours, because it took me 3.5 hours just to do my middle hair, you know. So I'm being real with y'all, real and raw, okay. And first, I'm going to show you guys what I used. That's the first thing first. So let's get into everything that I needed to get this done. So I used the features. I don't have the pack here, I threw it away. So I must just like show you guys a picture of it. I used the Features Water Wave hair in 22-inch, and I believe this was a 27 color, between a 30 and a 27 color. I'm not quite sure, but I will double check to make sure. Next, you're gonna need a brush, a comb, some scissors, another easy essentials that you all should just already have in your house, especially if you do hair and especially if you're a woman. Some other stuff I will be using is some beeswax. So I use beeswax because my hair is real frizzy at the end. So if you have like real frizzy hair at the end, this is good to like hold and slick your hair down so the frizz won't pop out of your hair. And then I'm going to be using the edge control. The edge control is to slick down the edges up here, and that's how my edges is so slick down. It's because of this edge booster, Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. Something else I'll be using is some mousse, and I got some argan oil for my scalp. Keep my scalp hydrated. That's very important. Try to moisturize and massage my scalp. Some other things that I will be using, this is optional for you depending on your hair type and your hair texture, and how you like to do your edges and stuff. But since I'm bald on the side, what I use is some water, and I spray it around my edges, spray it on my side, and then basically I use some Eco Styling Gel to slick down my sides. And before I do my edges, I always use water first and then the edge control, because that allows the white stuff to not pop up when I use water first. So if you didn't know, now you know. That's the trick. Now that we got all of that out of the way, it's time to show you guys how I got this done. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get some hair, and I'm going to part the part in two, and then I am going to twist my hair and the weave together in a direction that I am going to twist the twist down. So at the root, I'm going to twist it as tight as I can before I actually start twisting down. So you guys can see right now that I am actually twisting really tight to make sure that the roots is tight and so that it won't unravel. When you was around, I was young and grinding hard and really trying to make it. I know it's kind of selfish and I can't help it, but I was hoping that you waited. I just knew you were the one I could build with. You were supposed to be the one I'd have it all with. So close to the top, I could feel it. Now tell me you I'm supposed to bow it down. I was caught in between a happy ever after in the grasp of my dreams. Thought I could have it all. As I am twisting down, I'm going to use some beeswax to hold my natural hair to the weave and to slick it down so that no frizz will be showing. So right here you get a better view of how I part my part, and Before I part my part, I add some edge control to my roots, and then I part the part, and then I add the hair, and I start twisting and twisting and twisting.
Should I go pick up the phone and call you and get on your ass? Or should I just leave it alone? I'ma leave it alone. Cause my mama raised me a lady. And even though I could say something to hurt you, I'm not gonna say it. No, I'ma stick to the script. Watch me fall back. Let you get it how you live. I would be lying if I said I don't understand, but this was not in my plans. No, I can't help but ask, is this a blessing or a lesson? God help me, cause right now I'm confessing it. Feels like I'm going insane. Everything's changed, and since you've been gone, it don't feel the same. No, I can't help but ask, is this a blessing or a lesson? God help me, is this a blessing or a lesson? I can't help but ask, is this a blessing or a lesson? God help me, I think that life is testing me. I can't help but ask, is this a blessing? Won't somebody tell me, is this a blessing or a lesson? Can't help but ask, is this a blessing or a lesson? God help me, I think that life is testing me. Is this a blessing or a lesson? Is this a blessing or a lesson? Is this a blessing or a lesson? I think that life is testing me. Since I hit you up, I heard around you got a life now. Scrolling through your Twitter, I see you got a bae, and you calling her your wife now. When you was around, I was young and grinding hard and really trying to make it. I know it's kinda selfish and I can't help it, but I was hoping that you waited. I just knew you were the one I could build with. You were supposed to be the one I'd have it all with. So close to the top, I could feel it. Now tell me you weren't supposed to ball it. Damn, I was caught in between a happy ever after and the grasp of my dreams. Thought I could have it all if I balanced everything, but life is not as simple as it seems. No, I can't help but ask, is this a blessing or a lesson? God help me, is this a blessing or a lesson? I can't help but ask, is this a blessing or a lesson? God help me, I think that life is testing me.
Honestly and truly, I don't know what I am doing with my eyebrows, my eyeshadow, and I never do. Like, I just really just be doing what I do. Like, I just be throwing stuff on my eyes and just seeing how it blends, and if it's cute, and if it ain't, I just be taking it off. But honestly, I'm really just doing something, y'all. I really don't know. I need the crayon box. Anybody want to buy me that for Christmas? You know, Christmas is like yesterday, today, or tomorrow. I don't know. Whenever I post this video, but or if you just want to buy it just because gift, a late birthday gift, early birthday gift, Valentine's Day gift, Christmas gift, Thanksgiving gift, Easter gift, Martin Luther King Day gift. child, the ghetto. Now I'm about to do my lips. I'm doing lip gloss and liner type day. I got my $1.99 lip gloss that I got from the beauty supply store, and I am using Chestnut lip liner from MAC, and I need a new one because this is like really small, as you can tell. But the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit of primer. I'm gonna put on the lip. So basically the primer helps the lip liner and lip gloss stay on your lip longer, because it give it that matte feel when you put it on. I don't know if you can see, but I feel like the matte feel to my lips, but when I put it on, it'll be able to like stay longer than usual. Okay. Now for my hair part. So y'all see the sides is slicked down. Don't play with me. Slicked down sides. Let me get a closer view for you guys. Edges on fleek. Do not play with me. Don't play with me, okay? Y'all know I don't play that. Y'all know I don't play that. I don't play that. I don't play that. Hey y'all, I am back, and this is my final product. This is the finish. I made it to the finish line. So you guys can get a close-up of how it looks. So prior to this, I'd had this style already, and I did the rubber band method with that. So it was rubber band and crochet actually. So if you want to see that method, you can click up above to see the how I did it with the rubber band method. And I wanted to try the no rubber band method to see which one I like better. And honestly and truly, I like them both, but I would definitely pick the no rubber band method over the rubber band method, because the rubber band is possible to pop your hair off. 1, 2, it was really hard to loose out of my hair. Like, it took a couple of hours to loose that out of my hair, and I don't have that much hair. And 3, it takes longer than the no rubber band method, because you got to rubber band your hair, and then you got to get the hair and crochet the hair and do all of that extra stuff. In this, you just twisting the hair inside of your hair. The only thing about the rubber band method versus this method is the rubber band method lasted longer. Like, it lasted like about 3 weeks. This hair is already a week old, so you can already tell like some of the hair in the back was sliding out because my hair is so soft. So I had to do some in the back over because they were sliding out, and some are still sliding out. So basically I'm just gonna have this in for like another week, because Christmas is 2 days away. I don't know when I'm gonna post this. I don't know if I'm gonna post this before Christmas. I'm gonna try to post this before Christmas, but today is Monday and Christmas is 2 days away, and I don't want to like loose it out and have to do my hair over. So I just decided to do like the front over and the back over. So if I do decide to put in a ponytail, I can do that. Yeah, and I just like how light it feels on my head, and how it's not like a lot of tension on my roots, and it looks like natural twist on the roots as well. That's about it. I would choose this method over the rubber band method, because it's less work and it's less tension on my head. Like, it doesn't feel tight, it just feels real light on my head. And it's like with the rubber band method, you have like the little hump, right? But this one is like really flat. So I like that about this style as well. So I'm gonna drop down the link below to the last the rubber band method that I did, and then after this method I want to try the crochet method. I don't think I'm gonna really like the crochet method, because I don't really like crochet like that. I like for my scalp to be seen, so my scalp can breathe and I can actually massage my scalp and oil my scalp. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This was pretty easy to do. It wasn't a lot of work, it was fast, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and like this video. Make sure you're subscribed and you press that post notification bell. Also comment down below what you think of my hair, and if you've seen my prior video with the rubber band method, let me know which one that you like better. If you have any questions as well, drop some comments below if I haven't discussed anything and I missed anything, just drop it down below and I will answer your questions. Thank you for tuning in to Who's That Girl TV with your girl Danny K. In no other way, I hope my Danny babies have a beautiful day. Until next time, my loves, peace, love, and blessings.
Just the way life goes. This is just how everything goes. We come and we go. Life is a show from the morning to night. It's just